In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure Microsoft Teams audio and video settings. And we'll keep it quick, wrapping up in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Microsoft Teams or just need a little refresher, I've got you covered on setting everything up so you'll sound and look your best during meetings. Let's dive in and make sure your settings are optimized for your next call. To begin, you'll need to open Microsoft Teams on your device. Once you've got Teams open, you're going to want to click on the settings. Depending on your version of Teams, you might find this either by clicking on your profile picture or avatar at the top right corner of the screen and selecting Settings from the drop-down menu. Or you might see a direct Settings gear icon somewhere in the main window. After you're in the Settings menu, you'll want to navigate over to the Devices option. That's where all the magic happens for your audio and video settings. Once you're in the Devices section, you'll first take a look under Audio Devices. This section allows you to select and configure your microphone and speaker or headset. Make sure you choose the correct microphone that you intend to use. Often, people have several microphones to choose from if they've got headphones with an inline mic, a dedicated USB microphone, or maybe a built-in mic from their laptop. Select the one that provides the clearest sound quality. After that, move on to configuring your speaker or headset. Listen to the audio playback to verify that you can hear everything crisp and clear. It's crucial to ensure your mic and speakers are in top shape to avoid any audio issues during important calls. Next, let's head to the camera settings. Here, you can select the camera you want to use. Like audio devices, you might have multiple camera options. It could be your built-in laptop camera or a separate USB webcam for a better image quality. You'll want to select the one that offers a sharp image and appropriate field of view for your needs. It's always a good idea to have a smooth video setup to help maintain effective communication. Then, you can move on to some secondary settings. Here, you might have the ability to adjust how you appear on screen. For instance, adjusting the brightness can ensure that you're clearly visible in various lighting conditions. You might also want to toggle the option to mirror your video if that makes it more intuitive for you. Once you're satisfied with all your selections, you can exit out of the settings menu. All your configurations will be saved automatically, and your next video call on Microsoft Teams will reflect these changes. And there you have it. You've successfully configured your Microsoft Teams audio and video settings to fit your needs. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope your next meeting goes as smoothly as possible with great quality audio and video.